Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious bean stew. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring you have everything ready to go before you begin cooking. Remember to soak your beans for at least 8 hours or even overnight for the best possible texture and to reduce cooking time. Then, prepare your vegetables by chopping them evenly and brown any meat you plan to include, setting a strong, flavorful foundation for your stew. Now, let's build those rich flavors. Sauté your aromatics like garlic and celery until fragrant. Stir in your favorite spices, perhaps 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika or cumin to deepen the taste. Deglaze the pot with 1 cup of broth or wine, scraping up any brown bits. Finally, combine all your prepared ingredients in the pot. It's time for the magic of slow cooking. Bring your stew to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for about 2 hours or until the beans are wonderfully tender and creamy. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed, adding salt and pepper to your liking. If you prefer a thicker stew, a cornstarch slurry works perfectly. Your hearty bean stew is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with fresh herbs, like chopped parsley or cilantro, for a burst of color and freshness. Serve it hot with a side of crusty bread to soak up all that delicious broth. Leftovers store well in an airtight container and can be gently reheated for another comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.